Hi guys, today make this amazing text effect, so let's start. Click plus text. Now drag this image and place it inside the frame. Now type energy drink. Correct the spelling if needed by right-clicking, then reduce the text size. I think 160 works well. Next, align the text to the center of the frame. Now import the background removed drink can image, place it above the text, and increase the size. Next, right-click on the text and copy it, then paste it. You can also use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Place the duplicated text above the first text. Now add a stroke to this text, and set the stroke color to white. Turn off the fill color by clicking the eye icon. Then increase the stroke size. Three is the right value. Now align both text layers together. And there you have it, an amazing and cool text effect. Try this effect in your own design and make your text stand out like a pro.